My name is Gerda Vleugel and I work here as a person who helps with mental problems for students here, but also for other people. Students have this age or young adults and have lots of problem with their identity, some sexual problems or problems to find out who you are and which way you want to go in life. So they have to choose a direction for their study, but they don't know yet what they want. A lot of problems with fear when they have too much pressure on their shoulders, because sometimes their parents want for them to do their study so well, and that gives a lot of pressure. We see it often by Chinese students. They are very scared to speak with us because they feel ashamed for doing not so well in their study. And loneliness, there's a lot of loneliness. So they are homesick from their families. Well, I see also a lot of students who are not used to have a free life here. So they go from party to party and they drink a lot or using drugs and become mentally unstable because they cannot use the freedom of so many partying, and they don't have to go to their study. They can skip it or lay the whole day in their bed, and some people are not used to it.
Do you think the universities here do enough to secure mental health for their students?
I think they do, but it's also a big step to go there for a student who needs mental help. They are very ashamed and scared as well. They don't know what they have in their head, and so I think this practice, it's very good for students to go there.
What would be your advice for students to overcome this pressure in the exam period, and just so they could handle themselves properly without falling down to tough situations in life?
Well, I think students have to be, when you feel a lot of pressure, you have to make your world more smaller and do the things you have to do. Put both your legs on the ground and go back to basic. Eat well, do some sporting, speak to your good friends. What is on your list? Is it not too much? Do the things you can do. And when it's too much, you have to put it in pieces.